This is the final result of this video. At the end of it, you're going to have a fully working website with all these sections. You can even have Google reviews embedded on the website. So you have the homepage, the about us, the services, the contact page, and I'm going to show you step by step how to get everything set up as fast and as cheap as possible. So to have a website, you need two things. You need a domain, which is mybusiness.com or something like that, and that costs about $10 a year. And you need the host, which will have different prices, but I'm going to show you the cheapest host you can find and how to get everything set up. So okay, so to be completely transparent with you guys, I am affiliated with two popular hosting providers. One is hosting.com and the second one is hostinger.com. There's links to both of them in the description. If you use my links to make a purchase, it basically gives me a small commission and it helps me continue making these videos. If you don't want to use the affiliate links, you can just go directly to the websites and that's totally fine. So at the time I'm making this video, Hosting has a deal that starts at $199 and Hostinger starts at $299 a month. Hosting has a better 1-year option. It totals to $24 and that includes the domain for the first year. Okay, so let's just go with 1 year and then server location. Just pick the closest location to your users. I'm gonna go with Germany because I'm in Europe, and then register a new domain. Let's just go with myawesomebusinessllc.com. Let's see if that's available. It is. Add to basket. Okay, great. Confirm and proceed. Okay, now for some reason they make you buy the domain for 2 years, but we can change that. Just click on edit and then switch from 2 years to 1 year, and that makes it free. Confirm and proceed. Okay, great. So now that totals to $24. Let's proceed to checkout. Okay, continue. Okay, let's add our billing. Okay, great. Order complete. And now we can just go and set up our website. Okay, so go to all products and then click log into control panel. Now scroll down and find WordPress Manager. Click install. Set a protocol to HTTPS. Leave the directory empty. Then set up a site name and a description, and then deselect all these plugins. We're not going to need them. Then set an admin username and a password, and lastly add your email and click install at the bottom. Now if you're using Hostinger, the way to install WordPress is you go to your dashboard and then click create and then pick business, WordPress, set the language, the email and the password, then deselect all these plugins or just skip the AI, and then you should have a fresh WordPress install. If you go to your website, everything should be set up. So now we're going to add /admin at the end of our URL. That's going to take us to the login page. Let's log in. Okay, now let's go to appearance, themes, add themes, and search for Pro Fixer. And let's install this theme. Now let's activate it and then begin installing plugins. And then install. Okay, now let's go back and take them one at a time. For some reason, sometimes they error, but that's fine. Okay, once we're done installing, just bulk select and activate all of them. Okay, now go to appearance and you have demo import. Click on that and import the first theme. Yes. Okay, now let's click visit my site to look at what we currently have. Okay, so we have a homepage with everything set up and an about us page, services, and a contact page. Okay, now let's start making some changes. Okay, so let's take things one at a time. Let's say you want to change the logo, go to customize, then go to site identity and select logo. If you have a logo, you can upload it. If you want to use just a title, something like that, that also works. You can add a tagline if you want. Now, if you want to remove pages from the menu, go to edit menu and you can remove, maybe you don't want services, just click on remove and that's going to remove it. If you want to add pages, click on add, and then you can obviously add pages easily. Okay, now let's say you want to make changes to the footer at the bottom right here. So click edit. If you want to resize this, for example, that's how you do it. and it got resized. If you want to change the text, okay, a bit too much space. Okay, actually, we're just gonna keep it. Okay, and the same thing to any of these sections. Just add your own content right here. If you want to add some more, just click on the plus, and you can add new components like images, buttons, whatever you want to add. We're not gonna add any of them. Same with quick link. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now let's go to homepage and focus on actually changing some page content. So the way you change anything on this website is you go to edit with Elementor, and this is going to open the website editor. So anything on this page is customizable. Just click on the edit icon, and that's going to open the side panel on the left, and you can basically change anything you want. If you want to change the text, just add new text. If you want to change the color of the text, just go to style, then text color, make it red or whatever you want to do. If you want to undo, click Control Z or Command Z. If you want to remove a section, I don't know, maybe, I don't know what this is. We're not going to use it. Okay, that's Google reviews. Okay, let's take a look. Connect your business to Google. Okay, we're gonna look into that in a bit. But let's say you don't have a blog, you don't want to have blog posts. So if you want to remove this section, just click on X, or just right click and delete. It does the same thing. So click on X, and it's gone. Okay, now let's set up a form. Let's go. Simple contact form. Go with that one. Done. Done. I don't know what's happening. Save. Close. Okay, that looks good. Great. Let's save. Let's publish this. Okay, so say you want to change this banner. Right click, edit call to action. You have the banner on the left. Choose image, upload your image, and it's going to get replaced. It's just really simple. Same thing to this banner. Right click, edit banner, and then upload your banner. If you want to change the link to this button, actually it's probably in here, button link. So if you want to link this to contact, just go to contact page, copy the link, and then just paste it in here, publish. And now if you go to homepage and click make appointment, it's going to take you to the contact page, and that's probably what you want to have. Yeah, so that's how you make changes. Let's go to about us. Same exact thing. So go click on edit with Elementor or Elementor, I don't know. And yeah, just press the edit icon and add your own details. Let's get rid of this section for no reason at all, and then publish. So yeah, that's how you make changes. Now let's go to, okay, I don't know why this image gets removed. Probably my ad block. I don't know. Yeah, probably an extension I use. Services, the same exact thing. So just click edit, and that's gonna fix it. Contact. Now let's go fix the contact form on this page. Okay. Form, simple contact form, because we already created one, and that looks good. Now publish. Okay, now we have the contact page, so we probably don't need a contact form on the home page. All right, need help. Let's just remove it from here. Remove the whole section. So let's click edit, scroll to the bottom. Okay, and then just remove this whole thing. That looks good. Publish. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now let's take a look at this plugin, Trust Index. See if we can get it set up. Connect with Google. Okay, so you have to connect. Okay. Okay, let's just pick a random company. Okay, it seems to be doing things. I don't layout. Sure. Okay, let's select this one. Style. Yeah, sure. This. Sure, save and get code. All right, just copy this. Okay, now let's go to homepage, and okay, we didn't have to do anything. So the reviews got loaded, and it looks beautiful. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's it. That's how you set everything up. If you have any questions, you can post them below in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. And yeah, that's it. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe. If not, that's fine.